And welcome back to Ram's tutorial. So today guys, we're going to solve in physics how much work is done by the applied force. Are given equations. A force of 70 N or Newton acts on a big block at an angle of 30 or theta above a small surface. The block moves a horizontal distance of 4.0 m or 0.4 meter. 4.0 meter. How much work is done by the applied force? Paano natin to isosolve po itong problema natin? So to solve this one, we're going first. Okay, ang gagawin po natin, jot down muna natin yung given. Okay, ano po yung given dyan, Teacher Ram? We have here F is what we call, remember, force. So our force is 70 N or 70 Newton. Lalagay natin dito 70 N or what we call Newton. Now, we're going to find the distance. Yung layo po niya, yung distance natin dito is 4.0. So ilalagay natin dito, we jot down D stands for the distance 4.0 m or meter. Okay? Next, we're going to write the angle. The angle class, so we have here the symbol for the angle. It's what you call the angle or the theta. Okay, so we're going to write the angle 30 degree po. Take note guys, sa 30 degree po, may equivalent po yun. Kasi kapag ang formula po kasi natin dito is that our formula for our solution, ilalagay ni teacher dito, solution. So, ibig sabihin dito na natin isosolve po. Pag sabihin natin solution, para po klaro po, para hindi po maguguluhan. Okay, ito yung formula natin, W is equal to FD or force and distance cos angle or theta or what we call the angle. Yung angle natin ito po yon. This one the angle, this distance, F for the force. So hindi po kayo malito kasi ito po yung tinatawag natin na formula na dapat nating gamitin po. We jot down po, isulat lang po natin ulit, yung W is what we call the work. So, kukunin natin tong force natin, which is 70 N. So, close and open parenthesis, guys. So, yung ano natin para magmamultiply po tayo, para hindi tayo maguluhan. Then, kukunin naman po natin yung distance natin, which is 4.0. Take note ha, 4.0. Then, sunod natin kukunin yung angle, the angle or what we call the theta, which is 30 degrees po. So, ilalagay na lang natin yung cos natin, then 30 degree po. Or angle po. Yun ha. So, hindi kayo malilito dapat. So, dito po, isipin po natin, kasi nga, kapag i-multiply natin tong dalawa po, mamaya, kasi ano yan, kasi yan, force times distance, pag ganito, force times distance, then times angle. Okay, ganito po kasi yun, force times distance times angle. Ganon kasi ang, excuse me, symbol ng angle natin or what we call the theta po. Okay? Now, kapag i-multiply po natin yan, the result will be this one. Itong si 70 and 4.0, okay, i-multiply ko yan dito sa gilid para makikita natin kung ano po yung final natin na answer, kasi dito yung final answer natin po. So again, so sasabihin ko sa iyo kung ano po yung equivalent ng cosine or angle natin na 30 degree, which is the 0.866 po yung ano niya, equivalent dyan, para alam niyo po kung paano niyo isosolve or may multiply natin yan, di ba po? Okay. Now next, I will show you how to multiply 70 and 4.0 meter or m. So dito ko po yung isusulat ha. I am going to write 70 times 4.0 or 4 na lang ang ilalagay natin or 0.4. So 0.28. So, andito na po sa result si 280. Now, ang next natin is the angle or the theta, which is the equivalent 0.866 para makukuha natin yung final product or answer natin sa work. Okay? So here, dito na lang po ilalagay ni teacher 0.866. Take note gaya, kailangan po natin mga bata, kapag nagmamultiply tayo, malinis po para hindi maguluhan si teacher pag magsusolve or mag-check ng sagot. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 0. So, alam natin yan, any number multiplied to 0, automatic 0 po yun. So, proceed na tayo sa next natin, which is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Kailangan lang natin dito ang multiplication skills natin. 6 times 8 is 48. Don't forget. So, ano natin? Regroup number. So, 52. Lagay natin ang 2. Regroup 5. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 5 is 69. Okay? Now, ano po yung next? Dito po tayo. 2 times 6. Lagay naman natin dito. 1, 2, 3. We have our 12. Regroup 1. 2 times 6, 12. Plus 1. We have 13. Regroup 1. 2 times 8, 16. Plus 1, 17. Ay, yan. Dito yung 1. Ayan. Okay. Next natin guys, ipa-plus na natin para makukuha natin yung final product. Bring down 0. We have 8, we have 4, 9, 10, 11, we have 12, 1, we have 14, we go 1, so 2. So, 242.48. Hindi na natin sasama si 0. So now, our answer here is 242.48 Newton meter. Or, pwede din natin siya guys. Ito, since 48 is what we called up number or rounded up. So, pwede natin siya ilalagay 242.5 the unit of meter. We have here joule. Okay? So, yun po yung sagot na natin or final answer natin. Basta laging tatandaan yung theta or the angle, which is the 30 degree. So, ang equivalent to ng 30 degree, 0.866. Para hindi po mahirapan pag mag-solve. Okay? So, I hope you understand and you can follow our discussion tonight about how to find or to solve how much work is done by the applied force or the amount of work done by forces. So once again, good evening or good morning. Welcome back again to Ram's tutorial. If any comments or suggestion, please write our comment section below. And don't forget to hit our notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Bye and thank you.